Hi guys, welcome in. It's another embroidery project. You guessed it. And I'm Rochelle. Now, let's get into this project. You see, I've been working on this lady's face and I couldn't leave you out. But before I go there, let me share a little information. Where did I get the file from? zdigitizing.com. Yes. That's where I prefer to get my files from. Excellent customer service. Now, if you want to take advantage of some of that, just go ahead and use my referral link below where you'll get 50% off on your first order. How does that sound? I knew it was grand. Just stick with me and you will see more embroidery projects coming off of zdigitizing.com. So for right now, let's go ahead and get into this project. As you can see, it is a lady's face. This diva is going to be fire when we get to the end of this. So stick with me and let's ride it out. Let's ride it out. She got her red lipstick going. She got her fly eyelashes. And girl, that hair do it, don't it? I knew you would love that. But anyway, let's watch this. Yes, she's moving right along. And then, whoa, can't forget about her glasses. Oh my goodness, that blue frame is gonna be fire. Just wait till we get to the end. You're gonna love this one. Stick with me. And then don't forget, go on and click on that referral link and go ahead and get your 50% off on that first order. Girls and guys, go ahead. It's for any one of you. Just go ahead and click that link and get on over to that zdigitizing.com. Okay, so let's see. We should be getting pretty close. Getting to those glasses. And yes, we're about to see her work it, baby. Just stick with me. And when we get to the end of the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you're new to this channel because everyone is welcome here. Just tell them Rochelle sent you. Oh yeah, come on in, join me. Sit around for a while. I got a little something for everybody. Wait for the next project because it's coming real soon. Thank you for being here.